Greetings UCSB Creative Studies. This is a demo and an informational video of an iOS app that I developed that will serve as my evidence of talent portion of my College of Creative Studies application for computer science. The app is called WHS Planner for Weston High School, the school I go to. It is 26,800 lines of code, all of which I wrote myself. And it's used by about half the students of my school and reached number 28 in education in the App Store in the education category in its first week of release. I began learning iOS development a couple months before I had the idea for this app. I had the idea after trying to input my class schedule into another scheduling app that's available on the App Store called iStudies. Basically, it was taking me forever, like hours, 3 or 4 hours to input my schedule, and it was very difficult and tedious, and it was also similar to solving a logic problem or a programming problem actually, because our schedule is so complicated. It's on an 8-day rotation where we drop 2 of 8 periods every single day, and they're always in a different order. So I realized after spending so much time putting this in that all of our scheduling information is actually already on a student information system web application called PowerSchool, which is used to keep track of grades and attendance by my administration, or the administration of my school. But it's not live, so it's just in a list format. It just lists the periods 1 through 8, and that's it. So it's not really useful for knowing what class you have in the moment. And also, it's very secure, or they treat it, they treat the information to be very secure, so they won't even allow browsers to cache the information, the login information, so we have to log in every single time, and it's just not convenient at all to use it as a scheduled reference during the day on your phone. So I realized that if I could just download that PowerSchool information from the app, there would be enough information, or download the PowerSchool information from the PowerSchool page, there would be enough information there to construct a schedule out of it, but of course the app didn't support it. So I figured I'd make my own app that did that, now that I had known how to make apps. This is the result. It's called WHS Planner, as I said. The cover of the app, or the home screen, emulates the cover of the physical planner that is handed out to every student, but not used as often anymore because of the app that's replaced it. The main advantage to the app is that it's easier to input your schedule. So before we had this table of all 8 days and all 6 periods where you'd fill in your 48 blocks by hand, once for each quarter. People stopped using it after first quarter because that's when it came out in the fall. Yeah, so that would take a while, and it would also take a while to import it into the app if you chose to do that, import it into the iStudies app. So with my WHS Planner app, all you have to do is log in with your PowerSchool information, and it downloads all of your classes in 30 seconds, imports them into a schedule, and you're set. The way I did that was using some basic JavaScript functions to parse the HTML with IDs, and I stored it in Apple's core data framework with some custom managed object classes, such as WHS course and WHS graded assignment. I added several other features that one might find useful to carry around, and that also are included in the physical planner, but I wanted them to be convenient for everyone. So one of those is grades, because people also use PowerSchool to check all their grades, so that's all there. You can tap on any of them and get your assignments details. It's pretty basic. Press refresh to view or to pull the information again. It's quicker than logging in the browser. Most importantly, schedule. I'm in a free right now recording this at school. 25 minutes left. It's an advisory day, so there's support for modified schedules. I can change that back to a regular day if I want. And I can go to tomorrow's schedule if I want and see all my classes. Yep. There's also the whole rotation here, color-coded. That sort of emulates the blocks that I showed you earlier. And you can tap on any of them, it'll give you the class that it is. I'm missing here because I'm looking at the camera view. And yeah, that's it for schedule. It's also got color-coded tabs. Here's a list of your courses that are downloaded. This is where you can set the color of the tabs and slide it if you want, change it. And you get other information like your attendance and when it rotates and stuff. And then there's a few other things like freeze, advisory, and lunches. Assignments. This is just the assignment notebook because that's the main function of this, is all your assignments. And you can check things off like that, and they automatically disappear after the due date has passed and you've completed it. And you can also sort it by class in addition to by due date. And you just press plus to add one. Resources is just the stuff that's in the back of the physical planner, like your handbook and everything. Except instead of flipping through pages, you just navigate it with table views. It's got the map, which was also in the physical planner. Sports and clubs is just a list of all the athletic teams and everything. And WHS News is a RSS reader that pulls our school's Twitter feed and online RSS feed for their website and the athletics one. And finally, my info. This is just a place to keep all your passwords. I don't really use it because I use a app called 1Password that has a bunch of browser plugins and extra features. But there are people who do use this because we get a lot of different accounts. Naviance, PowerSchool, Turnitin, Noodle Tools, Witnet, Moodle. You also got your locker information, and you can keep your personal ones here too if you want. And it's passcode protected, all encrypted. Did I cover everything? Yep. There's a flip view that's just for information and contact. Yeah. So thanks for watching, and thanks for reading my application. Thanks. Bye.